sir.
Hey.
I'm here. Are you proud of me?
Yeah, I'm proud of you. You're shipmate now, not future sailor. It's not too hard, right?
Yeah. For all people, I passed all the exams and they are proud of me.
Yeah. You got your citizenship, so everything's good. Come back home, everything's the same, but instead of working security, now you're in the Navy, you know?
Yeah. I'm good with my job now. I hope so.
Yeah, so today you're here for Recruiter Assistance Program, RAPDD. You're gonna help me recruit. So
Yeah, even though my English is bad,
it's okay.
I can do that.
Yes, you can definitely do it. You know, just be honest and tell the world how great the Navy is, and that's a great opportunity.
To join the Navy, a lot of benefits
Yes.
and insurance and everything. Huh? Okay, we will meet the chiefs and the other petty officers. So dito na ako sa kung saan ako nagsimula. Ito yung mga pogi chief tsaka si petty officer San Juan. Ayan. Ayan. Sila magbibigay sa akin ng extra bonus.
Ikaw dapat magano sa akin.
Sir, ako bala. Kasi,
Maglang people, nakapuso.
yeah, iba-iba. Pati Americans na tayo, syempre. Citizen na tayo. Dahil sa kanila. Eh, dahil sa kanya. I'm a citizen now, ha?
Recruiter now.
Yeah.
Former recruiter. He's in the Navy now.
Yeah.
Proud of him. Got his citizenship. Boot camp was a breeze. And what else? Went to A school. And now you're about to go back to Chicago, right?
Yeah, I'm going back to the future.
That's where your brother is. You know, hang out with your brother. Maybe I'll see your brother in a couple months.
Maraming pera na yun. Maraming pera.
Don't tell that. They will utang ano sa English yung utang.
But yeah, I'm proud of you, man. Just come here, help share the love. You know, a lot of people out here are struggling, so just share your story, and maybe they can follow your footsteps.
Fine, petty officer po. He's a very good recruiter. He will help you all the way.
Yeah, got a good Tesco, right?
Yeah. You have a good Tesco.
Good Tesco.
He will
Good
review
bonus.
you. Yeah, he will review you.
Yeah.
Future sailor. Yan, ito. Yan. Ito. Kita natin yan pag tulad niya. Yan. PS rin siya.
Ganda ng uniform mo.
Oo. Yan lang ang natin sa... Ay, syempre, baka pagalitan mo. Baka pagalitan mo kasi. Nagna-nervous ka na ba sa bootcamp?
Napunta na.
Yeah, madali lang. Tuturuan kita, pambira, di ba? Mga, ako bala sa'yo. Tama naman si Old Navy na.
Old Navy.
Oo.
Pumasok ng ano.
Kaya nga, Old Navy na ako eh. Kaya nga.
Pag nakita nyo nung vlog na to, pasok din kayo Navy.
Yeah.
Walang imposible, kayang-kaya. Bali ako 208 pounds. Ngayon, naging 183 na lang.
Pagdating mo sa bootcamp, sumusweldo ka na. Laki na sweldo mo sa akin ah.
Kaya. pero dahil sa tulong mo.
Ito kayo nakatira, di ba?
Monterey.
Monterey, California?
Yeah, Monterey.
Magiging citizen na si Asman.
Soon.
Totoo yun. Yan citizen ako.
Soon.
Pagkatapos ng bootcamp. Kaya ito rin, gano'n. Akong bala sa'yo, mga techniques, saka yung paano ako tinrain ni Petty Officer San Juan sa training niya sa pagpapagalitan niya sa akin. Sir, proud ka ba, Chief?
Siyempre, alam mo, naman, takot na takot ka dito eh. Ngayon, proud na. Ngayon, parang anak niya.
Bait ito ni Chief, kaya napasama rin ako dito.
Sama kayo sa amin. We're gonna go to USS
Sama ka pala, Chief.
Punta ka sa Hornet. Punta tayo doon. Doon pang mag-vlog din.
Sige, Chief. Salamat ha. Sundan namin. Anong personal na masasabi mo? The officer.
Sa'yo?
San Juan.
Let me take the video. Masabi ko sa'yo, you know what, laki na improvement mo.
Mahihayin na ako.
From no confidence to 25% increase confidence. Kasi you know what, mag-improve ka pa eh. It takes a while for you to grow. Alright? Walang superstar na isang araw. Tama?
Kaya yung rebook mo, ibigay mo na
Times 3. Ayusin mo yung pay mo. Alright, guys. Alright, we're very proud sa pagbalik ni Shipmate Sembrano. Alright?
Salamat. Yo, punta kami dito sa Carrier Museum. Yeah, the chip.
The first Apollo capsule from the moon.
Oh,
Yeah, the first people to land on the moon.
they were there?
They crashed into the ocean.
And then they were
Covered
brought
on
there?
Yeah, and it's
Oh. Oh, history pala to, history. Ito kami sa, nag-recruit ng mga bata sa mga high school dito sa ship. Ito may history pala itong ship na ito. Dito yung kinuwasin niya, unang Apollo. Galing sa moon, yung ship nito. Re-recruit muna kami at mag-a-assist dito. First duty. Ayan, dito tayo sa taas. Ayan. Ito maliit siya. Ayan, rin wash. Ayan, ito kayo naman. Saan po? Huwag yata.
A junior officer of the deck, and
Ito
on
na
the
sa
bridge you have a
submarine sa Pambera. Ito si Pambera. Hindi lang tayo pang Navy, pang moon pa tayo. Punta na tayo sa moon. Capsule. Ayan. Mga Pambera. See you on the moon. See you. Tapos na ang tour natin. Ayos naman. Ayan, mga pag-assist sa mga estudyante.